Understanding, put in the picture, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard, put in the picture. This idiom is a fantastic example of how colorful and vivid the English language can be. So, if you've ever been curious about what it means and how to use it in conversation, you're in the right place. Let's get started and unfold the mystery together. The phrase, put in the picture, is used when someone is informed about a situation or given the full details of what's happening. Think of it as being given a complete view of a scene in a picture, where every part of the story is visible to you. This idiom is particularly useful in situations where decisions are being made, and you need to be aware of all the facts and perspectives to understand the context fully. While the exact origins of put in the picture are a bit murky, it's widely believed that this idiom comes from the visual arts, where being in the picture means you are part of the scene being painted or photographed. Over time, this concept was metaphorically extended to mean being included in the loop of information or a particular situation. To help you grasp how to use put in the picture in everyday conversations, here are a few examples. 1. In a business meeting, before we make any decisions, let's make sure everyone is put in the picture about the latest project updates. 2. In personal communication, I was feeling left out, but my friend took the time to put me in the picture about the plans for the weekend. 3. In professional updates, the manager promised to put all team members in the picture during the next meeting. Understanding synonyms and similar phrases can enrich your vocabulary and give you alternative ways to express the same idea. Here are some phrases that convey a similar meaning to put in the picture. Bring up to speed, fill in, keep in the loop, update. Each of these can be used in various contexts to indicate making someone aware of the full situation. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, put in the picture. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what it means and how you can use it in your own conversations. Remember, idioms like this one add color and depth to our language, making it more vivid and expressive. So, don't hesitate to use them to enhance your English communication skills. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep learning and stay curious.